Who is this? Moon, moon, moon. In the den. Come on, Moon. Moon. Hi everybody, and welcome back to Wolf Quest 3, where we are here with Mist. And yeah, okay, so Hair is actually in the den. Moon just came out. Whoa, wait. The pups are, yeah, they're so tired. They're just about to collapse. But hi everybody, and welcome back to Wolf Quest 3, where we are here with Mist. And so last time was very chaotic. Mist, she can hardly walk. But we moved from the den that's like here. Let me unlock this. That's like over here. And it was just chaotic. We couldn't find this den, which we are calling it. Whoa, sorry guys. Which we are calling it the Sand Savior Den. Okay, sorry guys, I just hit the thing, so you probably heard just something. But we're going to go in the den and just collapse. Hair's in here with the pups. And yeah, we're just exhausted. And we're dreaming. And yeah, so Moon tried to go outside of the den there, and Hair's still in here. Okay, we're doing much better. Sky, I guess they are hungry. And I hear birds, so maybe there's a... That bunny scared me half to death. We're not going after it because we want to stay near the pups, but... Is there a carcass? Okay, regurgitated meat. I don't know, but everyone's coming out. Where is Hair just gonna stay in the den? Hair is still in the den. I think he's just gonna stay in there. Is Hair? Okay, everyone still seems super tired, but huh, we've never had someone go in the den in the first place. But I'm surprised that he's just staying in there. Most of the mates that we've had just want to kind of like stay outside with all the pups. Oh, didn't want to feed Moon. Wanted to feed Neptune, but that's fine. Alright, and who is our biggest puppy? Right, Iris is. And she is followed closely by Neptune and Moon. And then our smallest is Sky, which is right here. Hey, Calypso, Moon. Calypso. Hey. Yeah, wow, I'm surprised that Hair is staying in the den. Oh, and let's check our territory. Oh, right, we just did this. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, so we can keep our territory like this. Alright, is everyone full? Venus is still a tiny bit hungry. And let's see. Sky, Zeus. Sky, hey now. Whoa, Calypso, in the den. We are cautious. We do not like pups scattering. And, yeah, so you know what? I think we're oh, wait. Is Hair hungry? He's not actually that hungry, so let's just go in the den again. All of the pups are super tired. And, yeah, Hair just stayed in there, so we're gonna sleep once again. We're cautious, curious and we're playful, but cautious is pretty much what takes over Mist's life. So, that's what we're gonna be doing. That's what we're gonna be basing most of our choices on. And there we go. Alright, so let's get out. Oh, there, now here's coming out. And wow, geez, our territory is good. We do need to get a little bit over here, but... Okay, and... yeah, the puppies are still sleepy, but our affinity's high. Hey, hare. Iris, get in the den. What part of get in the den do you not understand? Okay, so the smells are coming from across the lake. Alright, hare, will you still come with us? Oh, and actually, that reminds me. There we go, found it. We need to catch 30 rabbits with hare, so... Alright, this is good enough. So we're gonna be looking for that, but... Alright, there's an elk herd. Unfortunately... Yeah, I think it's across the water, so... We're gonna have to do some hunting of... I guess of our own. Oh, hey! 15 minutes ago. Wait, where'd it go? This way. No, wrong way. Ah, they're so... Alright, this way, I think. Getting closer. Yes, okay, we are. We're on the trails to feel. Oh, right there. This one looks slower. Come on, miss. Nice job. Okay, whoa. Let's go for this one. She's lagging behind. Alright, she was a tiny bit weak. Not super weak, but any little thing counts. Come on, hare, help us. I want a picture of them hunting together. It's actually... Aw, dang, hare got kicked out. Come on, hare, help us. Hare seems distracted. Oh. Look at hare, he's just scratching himself. Are you itchy from fleas already? Oh, geez, they went up quite a bit. Alright, well, that's fine. Alright, yeah, so we're gonna just fill up. And then we'll go to the east to mark some territory. Alright, we're full. Another mule deer, but we don't need it. We're not cruel. And yeah, I think... Hey, there's the bunny trail. What is this? Abandoned coyote den. Is that our den? Alright, where's this bunny at? 2 of them, actually. If these coyotes hunted it. Just now. Wait. Oh, we're going the wrong way on this one. But there was this one. See, are we going the right way? Whoa, ran through a tree. Yes, okay, just now. Oh. What? Wait. Did this eagle just get it? It looks kind of stuck in the ground. Wait, did this... I think it... Oh! Are we witnessing a hunt? Go for it! Ah, no! I want to see it. Is it gonna do it? I want to see it hunt. Oh, maybe? It's tracking it. Oh, it's going for it. It's going for it. Oh, no, it just escaped. Wait, did it? Or is it flying off with the rabbit? Oh, it just flew off with that rabbit. That's so cool. Even though we missed taking a picture of it. Alright, yeah, because I think... Can we even get it? Yeah, okay, yeah, see, because this scent trail is faded. This one is still fresh. 5 minutes. Just now. Oh, it's right here. Boom. Okay, and there's another one. Alright, all the pups are just coming out. Forget it. Alright, but that's another rabbit. So, give me 1 sec to write this down. Venus, Moon, Iris, scattery pups. Alright, so I'm going to take this moment very quickly, Zeus, to write that rabbit down quickly. Okay, 4, that was our 4th rabbit. Zeus, you don't need to follow hair. Alright, I'm gonna go get Zeus because Zeus is much too far. And Zeus kind of looks like, Calypso. Zeus kind of looks like Mars too. Alright, Calypso, come on. Hair's playing with them too far away for Mist's comfort. They keep coming over there one by one. This is what it's like to have 7 puppies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, good. Okay, maybe if we put some food over here, then everyone will be in one spot. Hair. That is much too far. Okay, good. Now he realized he's like, okay. Oh, that was Zeus. Calypso. Venus had that squeaky howl. Okay, guys, don't go for that food. That's no. There are like 5 of them over here. All right, we're calling everyone in. In. Oh my gosh. Hair, I don't know if howling will help. I hope it will. Okay, good. Now everyone's over here. Is it over there? Okay, good. Everyone's in. Where? Where's it, Hair? Here? Where is it? Where is it? It's over here. I see it. Run, buddy. What if we don't give it a chance to return another time? Oh, we're going after it. It's actually slowed down a lot. Hair is coming. Alright. We're getting you, computer. Oh yeah, we can swim faster though. taught you a lesson, huh, buddy? Oh, he's walking. Maybe if we... How do we sneak? Wait. What if we sneak up on him? Hare, we need you to sneak. Alright, he's running for it. Oh! Yes! We got a bite on him! I want a picture of this. This is so cool. I never expected that this would fight a cougar. But, we are, so... Alright, after this fight, we're gonna run because he is hurting us quite a bit. Well, how it goes though. Okay, we're good. Hare, come on. Oh, okay. That should take a lesson. And let's get back to the pups. I'm sure they're like, whoa, what was that thing? Alright, they're all in the den, right? Why didn't we get a notification? Oh no. Zeus is lost. Zeus. Why didn't we get a notification? That was a fox. Zeus. Where? There's coyotes? Where's Zeus? Oh no. Where is Zeus? Ah! Oh no. Zeus. How long has he been lost? I didn't see the notification. Oh no. Oh, please tell me we can find Zeus. He must have gotten lost while the... Yes, I'm aware. Get in! Oh no, what if they find Zeus? Oh, this is a nightmare. Get in! Where is Zeus? Oh no. Where? Zeus! Is this Zeus? That's Hare. Oh, Zeus is over here. We have to get back to Yellowstone. What if they find Zeus? Oh no, this is a nightmare. ever had. You still here? Get out! Get out! We need them away? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was terrible. I was freaked out. Bruh. You're right here. Run. What was this? 4 female and who's this? Wait, or me, male. So 2 siblings? Oh, Neptune! Pups, just stop. Stop, just stop. Just stop. No. Get in. This is a nightmare. This is literally a nightmare. Here, can you get Neptune over here? Neptune, get in. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to say to that. Hair? How hurt is hair? And, okay, good. So, Zeus didn't get injured. But Zeus was about to collapse. We had him in our mouth the entire time. Zeus was just in our mouth while we were fighting those stranger wolves. Yeah, we're tired. And Hair got super hurt. Hair, come in the den. Hair's just hiding behind a tree. Alright, do we have to go home? Oh, he wants to play, but oh my gosh. I don't know what to say to that. To that attack? Alright, we're going in the den. And no puppies. I can't believe Zeus got lost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're just super hurt. We're tired. We're just freaked out. We got attacked by a cougar, a big predator, and then 2 crevice lake wolves. And Zeus was lost at the same time. So we had to it was like we couldn't let them get in the den. And we were holding Zeus the whole time. Just an absolute nightmare. And no one comes at Venus, Calypso. In. Alright, let's go over to Hair real quickly. Hair, you doing better? Never going away for that long ever again. And let's check our territory. Alright, that's why, because this is right here. Oh my gosh, my heart was literally pounding, guys. Hey, Hair. We're confident. Is he gonna go in the den? Go in the den. Come on, Hair, go in the den. Let's give a howl. That literally freaked me out so much, guys. I thought we were going to have to, drop Zeus and, go back and defend the pups, and, Zeus wouldn't be here anymore. And I think Hair's freaked out, too. But, Crevice Lake is Miss Nemesis. Prospect Peak hasn't attacked us yet. But, they're still her father's shadows. Although she is cautious, so she's not gonna be mad at anyone who hasn't done anything to her yet. Once they've done something to her, oh yeah, it's done. Oh, wait. Go in here. And yeah, Hair's just freaked out. let's check the map really quickly. Yeah, so Zeus is still super tired. Everyone's hungry. We're gonna feed them next time. And oh my gosh, the fleas. And they're so little still. This is a nightmare. Oh, wrong thing. Map. The closest den we have is either up here or down here. This is an absolute nightmare, guys. But Miss is gonna figure it out, so we're gonna just stay in here with the pups, because no one is leaving. But please like and subscribe if you can, and join us as we continue with Mist, who seems to be having the worst of luck and impossible situations. And yeah, so hopefully next time we'll just get to have a nice, peaceful day. But yeah, so nature